The clock is ticking, the stars align. A brand new chapter, the world is mine. We raise a glass to dreams untold. A journey starts, the future unfolds. Here's to the new year, bright and clear. A time for hope, no room for fear. With every moment, we'll make it shine. Here's to the new year, yours and mine. The past is fading, we let it go. A time for healing, a chance to grow. With friends beside us, the world feels right. We greet tomorrow under starless skies. Here's to the new year, bright and clear. A time for hope, no room for fear. With every moment, we'll make it shine. Here's to the new year, yours and mine. Fireworks light up the sky. A burst of color, we're reaching high. One step forward, the journey's begun. Together